Hi, this is Kriti Sanin.
And this is Sushant Singh Rajput.
And you're watching the official T-Series YouTube channel.
एक बारिया भी जा यारा, एक बारिया राह तकूं मैं बेचारा, एक बारिया भी जा यारा, एक बारिया राह तकूं मैं बेचारा, एक बारिया.
Rabta basically means inexplainable connection with another soul, basically. So there are times when you just meet someone and you feel this instant connection with that person, but you don't know why, but you just feel it. So that's what Rabta is, and it is about this boy and girl who meet in a chocolate shop, and they just feel this strange connection towards each other, and they don't know why. And of course, it is to do with their past life, which you get to know much later. But it's a beautiful love story set in two different times.
So the first character that I play, I mean, the most important thing was to understand where he comes from and why is he the way he is. Basically, realize the fact that he's not ambitious, he's not future obsessed, he doesn't have any regrets about his past, so he's basically free and all about himself. That is not negotiable. So anything that anybody says about him that doesn't go with what he already thinks about him doesn't make sense to him. So he's like that. And so yes, so to understand him, once you get that understanding, then it's very easy to as an actor to play that character. But the second one was, so there were two things to it. One, what we understand through the character, and two, as an actor, what else can you do so that it goes completely diametrically away from already the first character that you have played, so that audience, there is a chance that they actually get convinced that they are watching two different characters having the same face, basically, probably.
I think the contemporary character is obviously she's a modern girl. She's more independent, also because she's not had parents. Her parents died when she was 2 years old, and she's hydrophobic. But she lives in Budapest all by herself, has a chocolate shop, makes chocolates. She gets these really bad dreams, which sort of are like a big question mark in her head, you know, and that's become a part of her life. So she's quirky, she's a little odd at times, but she's lovable. Whereas the other character of the flashback is more like a warrior princess. She's fierce, she is impulsive, she's fearless, she can do anything for her land, and she also knows that she's the most beautiful girl there, and she's aware of it, and she's sort of arrogant about it.
There are lots and lots of homework that we did in order to, just because there are like 20 minutes in the or 20 or something like that minutes in the film, that we are showing you this different world, so many different characters, and so many different things, and I need to convince you that these are for real. So hence each and every small details were taken care of. As an actor, we had those 2.5, 3 months in between, and we worked hard on our characters, and then every small thing like makeup, prosthetics, action team, so they were called from all around the world, the best of them, so that we can collaborate and just create these 20 minutes of some other world. That was the plan, because to get such a great actor, so that even when we are not trying to punctuate the fact that he's around, he gets noticed because of his acting skills. And that's what you're saying, that you watch the trailer and you get to see, and actually you're confident of a fact that how good an actor he is. And
you're intrigued, basically. You're intrigued how, you know, what is this character and how is he going to be?
And that is something that I think was required as a character also, because the character itself has got this weird thing going in his head. He doesn't follow the pattern, completely unpredictable.
And Jim in real life actually has this wackiness and unpredictability going on. So it was a lot of fun, and it was interesting working with him, because you don't know how he's going to do the scene.
Ek Variya is my favorite. because great melody, I think, also.
Yeah, it's got this very catchy tune, and it's happy separation, which again is very different. And
And got this happy outfits also to wear.
Nice colors.
Yes.
and it's more about being in love, and you know how what changes in you when you're in love, and it's just everything, even the most stupid and the random things and the most daily routine also becomes interesting, and you know you
They
just
make
enjoy
sense.
dancing on your own.
We already have loved the first version, and then to reconstruct it in a way that we again fall in love is requires some sort of a skill. Also, when you have such a beautiful track and you want
And
to
you
say-
have such a beautiful actress dancing in front of you, looking super hot.
Yeah.
And of course, she's done a fab job. And the song in itself, you know, it's a very it's a soft, slow song actually, but it's turned into something a little more groovy, a little more EDM-ish.
Yeah.
So that's something new to the old Rabta.
Yeah.
कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, क्यों है ये, कैसे है ये तू